Welcome to the 5th annual TLT Cooking Challenge. This year, the Healthy Gourmet Edition. In these rooms are students behind these doors preparing healthy gourmet meals. Oh, some more Oh, the party has started. All right, we've got the. Oh, looking good. You guys are opening some cans. This is actually a 7-course meal. So what part of the course are you?
So we are the side dish. So we'll be eaten with chips. We have the bottom layer is refried beans. The next layer is sour cream, then guacamole, salsa, cheddar cheese, then some jalapenos on top.
All right, let's check out some other rooms.
What's going on here?
So we're making a lovely cheesecake.
So it's a healthy cheesecake.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is the Healthy Gourmet Challenge, so we would hope that it would be healthy. Is cream cheese keto? Is heavy whipping cream keto? Is graham crackers and fruit keto? I think everything I just listed has sugar in it, so.
Do you know what this is?
Dried honey?
Yeah, so this is our healthy part of the dish. So it's actually good for you. So it's not like cornstarch, corn syrup, whatever. It's just honey. Yeah.
Wow. Dried honey, just like the bees make it. All right, let's continue on. Hold on, let me see who's in this room. All right, we got Devin's room looking fresh. I see we have some very advanced onion cutting glasses going on here. Yeah, we've had enough crying this week, so good job with the goggles. So what course are you guys making?
Soup.
Girls kind of got their stuff together. Their food is in progress. Now we're gonna check on some of the boys. Hey guys, what's up? How's it going in here?
Why, welcome. We are making soup, broccoli and cheddar. Everything's going well. I'm sure the girls are probably having a tough time getting everything done, but as you can see, all the boys, we're chilling. Everything's fine, nothing to worry about, so yeah.
There's a lot of smoke coming off of that, and there's like a fire thing like right above it. Oh my gosh. It's actually going off. Guys. We need to like... Oh my eyes. Do you think you guys will be done in time? I think you have about 20 more minutes.
No, I don't think we're gonna be done in time.
You know how your body reacts to certain things, and this thing has so many proteins, like vitamins D and C and A, B, C. You feel me? And never know to Z too. So it can help you in many ways, like athleticism and lifestyles.
Do you know all the benefits of cucumber?
Yes, vision, Jesus, and more.
Yes.
And you can put on your eyes, like when you're taking a nap, anything like that.
Massage,
For rejuvenation.
Yeah. So we have tomatoes, which are good for ketchup and more.
You gotta take this. I seen this on the Gordon Ramsay show. You just gotta. Yeah. Hold on. Just hold on. Wait. Yeah. See. Look.
And then you get the juices out. And
Yeah.
then
See.
seeds.
Look. Boom. Bam. Wow. Whoa.
Monoria,
Yeah.
you feel
Whoa.
me?
Yeah. There we go.
Salt Bay right
It
there.
tore open. Magic.
All right, we got the next room going on in here. Oh, looks like a party's going on in here. Yeah. Let's go, Maddie. It's looking good. It smells amazing in here.
Teamwork means everybody has a job and everybody gets their job done and we do it on time.
All right, so this is a healthy cooking challenge. What's up with the Coca-Cola?
In my defense, it was before the nutrition speech, so it doesn't really count.
All right. Sometimes ignorance is bliss. All right, let's go. So what are you guys making?
Okay, so we are making pineapple banana smoothies. I know no one else thought of that, just us.
That is so innovative and so creative. I love that.
Health benefits. So you want to take over?
I absolutely not. I don't know what we're doing, bro.
So eggs are good protein. Yes,
Sure,
we all know protein. The greens, we got some vitamins and minerals going on in here. Eggs are good. That's it.
You guys have already boiled your eggs, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Not all.
We're
Not all of
reboiling them. They were not ready. Yep.
Is that how that works?
The egg itself is kind of like soft right now, so whenever it's in the boiling water, you need to take it out and put it in the ice. It just shocks it, gets that hard, so when we break it, it doesn't like break open and the yolk comes out.
So, unfortunately, somebody did leave their egg, and they will be having it for dinner tonight.
And that's what happens when you leave your little egglets lying around. They will get boiled and eaten. All right.
What's this one's name? Do we know this one's name?
Tatiana.
Yeah, let's see what Tatiana thinks about all of this.
Please, this is my family. Don't do this. This is a genocide of my people. They've had me tied down for days. Please send help.
All right, we are moving on.
Welcome to su casa.
Come on in.
It's mi casa. Like mi casa is su casa, you know? Welcome to mi casa.
So what part of the meal are you guys making?
So we are making the chicken. We are preparing it just nicely for here. We are just getting some nice spices in here
He
and.
didn't wash his hands, did he?
I didn't hear the sink, Steven.
Yo, bro, go wash your hands.
Did you wash?
What are you talking about?
Go wash, dude.
This guy, bro, he's ruining our entire meal.
This is the third time this has happened.
All right, so I'm not gonna have the chicken.
This is the joke section of the video. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. This. Okay, get it? Because, like, it's ground. We're actually going really, really good. We're each taking a layer, basically.
Wow. See? Teamwork makes the meal work. Come on, you guys, how's it going? It's a party in here, all right. How's the birthday girl?
I made the cream cheese part.
Awesome.
We have some toaster action going on over here. Going on over here. Going on over here. Going on over there.
What are you doing, toast?
We need to toast.
Where everybody wants their food cooked, in a boy's bathroom.
Then over here we have the garlic cutting and dicing station, mashing it all up, putting it in this nice little bowl. Then we're gonna add it and then add it all together, make it buonissimo.
Hey, garlic's a vegetable.
In the Bible it said man cannot live on bread alone, but never said woman can't live on bread alone. So that's all we're giving the girls is a ton of bread. That's biblical.
Are you guys done?
No, we're about to start because we're making a smoothie for everyone.
You're about to start? You realize there's 20 minutes left in this challenge.
Yep, we're making a smoothie, so should be really quick, should be really easy.
Should be being the key word in that sentence. So what kind of smoothie are you guys making?
Fruits, but we are adding some vegetables.
I've seen this man in almost every room that we've gone into.
Cucumbers. It's for a good cause, because people need cucumbers if they want to put it on their eyes and.
So you're okay with people using cucumbers recreationally?
Yeah, they can eat it too. If you just bite it,
Oh.
All right, we'll take that into account. Thank you. What is the cucumber being used for?
I don't know, it just appeared. I think some guy just came in and put it right here. So now we have cucumber.
No!
I've never seen this in my life.
Danny, you gotta take a bite too.
I don't even like cucumber.
Cucumbers are really good for you. So this is the only healthy part of the meal that's coming out of this room. We've got 3 great judges